My name is Dr. Siamak Moattari. You are watching this video as part of the Health Sciences Department Advising video series. Based on my experience working with hundreds of students, I would like to emphasize some important points to make sure you stay on track. You are here because you have chosen a major or minor in health sciences. It is very important to make yourself familiar with your program. Your program requirements depend on the year that you have been admitted to the university. For example, if you have started in academic year 2017-18, you need to look at the 2017-18 catalog. If you have started in fall of 2003, you need to look at the 2003-4 catalog. This means the university honors your time of acceptance, and we are not going to ask you to comply with changes to the program that may happen after you start. If you look at the catalog and open the Health Sciences Department section, you can see the requirements for your program. Each program has a roadmap. We call this roadmap the lockstep or the program sequence. It means we drafted the courses in the order that you need to take them each semester. For example, students who major in public health must take HC 201 Introduction to Public Health in their first semester. This course is a prerequisite for some of the higher level courses in public health. So at that Health Sciences Department, we are asking you to make yourself familiar with the program by reviewing your catalog edition. Another point that I would like to emphasize is regarding your mathematics requirement. During my tenure at the Worcester State University, I have met some students who couldn't graduate on time because they didn't do their quantitative reasoning courses. All WSU students must take a QR course for LASK in addition to their MA course. Almost every single QR course requires an Accuplacer code of at least 3. You must complete a course with the MA prefix within their first 60 credits of study. Accuplacer course expires after 24 months, so if a student takes Accuplacer the summer before their first year, but then waits until their last year to take their math course, their code will have most likely expired. In addition, it will have been at least 4 years since their last math class. Often, this results in the students failing Accuplacer and then having to cram a developmental math class or 2 in addition to a credit-bearing class into their final year. We'd like to avoid this if possible. Please take your Accuplacer test and your math course within your first 2 years of study here at WSU. Another observation is regarding the science courses. For health education, you have to take AMP 1 and 2. In public health program, on top of the AMP 1 and 2, you have to take survey of chemistry and microbiology. During my work here at WSU, I have seen some students who couldn't graduate because they postponed taking these courses. We have a deal with biology department and chemistry department. In spring semesters, they secure seats for our students to take AMP1 and survey of chemistry, and in fall semesters, we do have some secured seats for AMP2 and microbiology. If you look at the program lockstep, you can see the placement of these courses. Which grade is acceptable? Some students ask us about the acceptable grades in major courses and in ancillary science courses. You must have minimum of C in major courses. It means if you have C- in any of your major courses, you have to retake the course. And you must have an average of C in ancillary courses. It means in an ancillary course, you can earn a D as long as your GPA of that section is C. and then you will be safe. I encourage you to watch our other advising videos for more guidance. Thanks for watching.